Hello guys, welcome to our new exciting video on the topic how to start blogging. We decided to make a free blogging course in this channel. If you are interested in online earning, then this video is for you. So if you still didn't subscribe our channel, then please subscribe the channel Digital Brain and press the bell icon so you can get the notification of our upcoming videos, because we will upload the full course of blogging in different parts of the video. In this series of blogging course, we will learn blogging from beginning step to being a successful blogger. After learning this course, you will become a successful blogger and you will obviously start earning from your blog. So guys, first of all, I would like to show you the steps of blogging. That's why you will know all the steps of how the blogging is started. After that, we will learn every steps in detail by clearing all the logic practically. Yes guys, we will learn practically. Let's know the steps. The first step of blogging is choosing a domain and hosting. If you have no idea about domain and hosting, don't worry, we will explain further in video with very easy concept. The second step is creating our website. The third step is theme installation. Number 4, essential customization of your blog. This means font, color, font size and more. Overall, we can call this section as appearance of your blog site. Now the fifth step is content creation. In this step, we will learn creating for our blog. Now the step 6 is publishing blog on Google. In this step, we will learn how to publish your blog on Google, how people can find our blog on Google. And the 7th step is promote your blog. Now at the 8th step, we will learn to apply AdSense approval, and this part of blogging will be our final part. After AdSense approval, you will start earning, you will start generating revenue from your blog. So guys, this is the roadmap of our full course of blogging. The next part of this course will be uploaded soon. So to learn this blogging course, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of our contents. And don't forget to like the video for our motivation. Please leave your thoughts in comment section. Thank you. Let's meet in the first part of our blogging course.